Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Alternator Toyota Rav4 updated. Park on level ground, disconnect the battery negative terminal, and gather a 10 mm socket, ratchet, breaker bar, and torque wrench. Loosen the serpentine belt tensioner, remove the belt, unplug electrical connectors, and unbolt the alternator. Compare pulley alignment before installing the new unit, then torque bolts to manufacturer specs and reconnect wiring. Refit the belt, reconnect the battery, and verify charging voltage with a multimeter. Before you start, lay out all tools and safety gear where you can reach them easily. Remove any plastic engine covers and note bolt locations as you go. Label connectors with tape if needed and take phone photos for reference. A helper can hold the belt tensioner or pass parts safely. Keep old alternator for core exchange if you plan to return it for a discount. Also wear gloves and eye protection at all times. Start by loosening the serpentine belt using the tensioner tool, then slide the belt off the alternator pulley. Remove electrical connectors and the main power nut, keeping fasteners organized. Support the alternator while removing mounting bolts to prevent damage. Lift the alternator out carefully and compare mounting points on the replacement unit, transferring any brackets or spacers as needed. Test fit before final torque to ensure proper alignment and belt seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.